Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to fix why does the Wi-Fi keep on disconnecting on your iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is open settings. Once in settings, you are going to select Wi-Fi and you are going to tap on the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to and that you would like to stay connected to. You are going to tap on the I and it's going to lead you to this option. And from here you want to ensure that auto join, as you can see at the top of the page, is toggled on. After doing that, you are going to simply go back, and also right where you see ask to join networks, you are going to tap on that and you would select notify, and you are going to see auto join hotspot. Also you simply want to tap on automatic, and that's it. So now your Wi-Fi network should stay connected, and also whenever it goes in the Wi-Fi zone, for example if you were out of range and then you go in range, it should automatically connect on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.